Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to you all on your own YouTube channel. This is Smriti, and today we have a very special guest, Gayatri ma'am, with us. And she is an inspiring English trainer and a very good YouTube influencer. So let's welcome her. So,
Thank
how
you
are
so
you?
much.
Hello, Gayatri ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very great, Smriti ma'am. I would request you to call me Gayatri if you could manage to talk, or else it's your choice.
Actually, I chose to say ma'am to you because I really respect you, and not only respect, I admire you also. So that's why I chose to say ma'am to you.
That's my pleasure. So kind of you.
Yeah. So uh, I know you very well, and you are already a very well known YouTube influencer. But for the benefit of my viewers, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, for sure. So kind of you, though I have just started my journey and I'm looking forward to help as many people as I can. But yes, hello everyone and hello Smriti ma'am. Very happy to be here. My name is Gayatri Sharma. I'm from west part of UP. I have been an English language trainer for 3.5 years. I've been more than four years. I would rather say that because it's been good time officially and non-officially. I have been training people in order to improve their spoken English, communication, personality, technical English, competitive English. I have worked with national and international both the brands. So that's pretty much about me. I have recently started my YouTube channel called Gayatri's English Hub. Plus, I have also launched a program where I take free sessions Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m. So that is also something which I would like to tell people. Yeah, that is for free.
Okay, so I'm really happy to know more about you today. And I want to say one thing. When I met you first time, so as soon as you started conversing with me, so I felt like a strong river is flowing. And then I realized why we use the term flawlessly for a confident and a fluent speech. So that's why I realized that. So, and I admired also, I appreciated also to you that that your speech is like a strong flowing river. So
Thank you so much.
yeah. So, my first question is to you this. So, could you please tell us about your English journey so that our viewers can benefited by that?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, coming from a background where English was never a language in my life, like it was never, and I had never imagined before that I would be the one who would communicate and who would talk and who would express in English, because English for me was nothing more than a subject. Like this is what I was taught. Even this is how our parents used to consider English. So yeah, like almost 19 and a half years of my life I had never used English as a language in my life. In 2020, when COVID hit us, somehow there was a small I would say fire which was there ignited, which was there in my heart, because I consumed English content a lot. Like, I remember that before 10th standard, I didn't have a phone on my hand. So I used to steal my father's phone. I mean, he had a kind of smartphone at that time. So I used to steal that and I used to watch movies. Then later on, I was gifted a phone by my sister. She's my cousin. She gifted me a phone. So, and that's how I started my journey of spoken English. So in 2020, when COVID hit us, that was the time when I thought of just working on my communication skill, because we did not have anything to do, right? We all were caged at our homes. We were just that, right? We did not know what to do with our time. Some people were enjoying with their families, so did I. But then that was the time when I started learning spoken English. So I was looking on YouTube how to start. There are some channels which I sometimes take names, but I would avoid. I can just suggest people if they want. So some channels I followed, and on Telegram you get free groups where you can talk to people. I have explored like more than 50 applications of spoken English so far. So that's how I started, my spoken English journey in 2020 and 2021. Almost 2 years I dedicated with my heart and soul. Like I used to spend at least 6 to 7 8 hours every single day when I used to talk to people, and I would just encourage them, or maybe they would encourage me, and we would learn, we would perform a lot of activities. And so yeah, that's how it has been.
Yeah, it's really great to know about that, and you really devoted 6 hours in a day. So you are lucky also, and you are hard worker also. You put lots of hard work also behind your success. So it's really good to know about that. And now you created your channel, and you have more than I think 2.6 subscribers now. So it's really great to know. I want to congratulate for that, and I want to know about that. What means what inspired you to create your channel, and how your journey, and something tell something interesting about your YouTube journey also.
Yeah, for sure. Like I came on YouTube with the intention, like I collaborated with few YouTubers like Ashutosh sir, then Rajni, then there is one more person. I'm forgetting his name. He also has like somewhere around 1 lakh subscriber or something. So I collaborated, with these people, and somehow, like there was no platform for me as an individual to represent what I have learned, because I coming from a background where I have learned the language, plus I have been training people for the same language for almost 3 years, 3.5 years, which somehow, if you combine everything, I started my journey in 2020 when lockdown happened in March. So I started my journey somewhere around in July. So if you count, it's been almost 5 years that I have been in the language journey. That is something I wanted to put out. I have worked with so many brands like national, international, both. I have been working independently now as well. So that experience which I have learned throughout my journey as a learner, as a trainer, and how I can help the students, right? So I wanted it to just be there on internet, and for that I had to be, or I had to have my own platform, right, where people were looking for me. Like there is a video on Rajni's channel which has crossed over 1 lakh views. So but, I read so many comments there where people were appreciating me, and that somehow made me feel so happy. So that somehow inspired me to have my own individual platform, and to let the learner connect with me, and let them know that okay, there is a person who is ready to give her hands to help those individuals. So yeah, that's inspired me.
It's really inspiring actually. So you always look so energetic and full of life. So please tell us what keeps you motivated every day.
uh to be honest, I'm really down back of the mind, as I have already told you, right? But I think connecting with people and talking to them is something which is the love.
Yeah.
I love talking to people. I love connecting with them emotionally, mentally. And then I am the one who can just help them, or who can just show them a path, especially when it comes to learning a language. Though a trainer is never only a trainer to a student, we are mentor. As a trainer, I understand that I have, over the period of time, I have built emotional connections as well with my learners. And even after years of connecting me, they come back to me at times and they tell me their journeys, or maybe they share their things or whatever they want. So I love this. As a human, I feel this is such a beautiful thing that at one point of time you are a stranger, but then there is a way which connects two individuals, and then they get closer, they share their things, and so yeah, this keeps me motivated. And talking is something which I love a lot. Like, I mean, I can talk hours and hours and hours. So that's why
Yeah.
I always love doing it.
I couldn't agree more on this, because whenever I meet you, I feel that I have known you for so long. It happens with me too. So you are complete. Whatever you are saying, I agree with this. So my next question is this: would you like to share something about your upcoming projects?
Oh, yeah, I do have. I have been launching few batches, so I will launch a batch this month as well. This is the program, or this is the coming project. But my projects is like, as I have already mentioned, that I take free sessions Saturday, Sunday.
Mhm.
I have come across so many individuals, and they personally message me at times, and they say that, "Ma'am, we cannot afford, we cannot pay." Or maybe I remember, there is a very young girl. She's in ninth or eighth or ninth standard, coming from very small village. She has recently messaged me and said that my parents do not encourage me to learn English, and they do not understand the value of this. She is such a young girl. I mean, ninth standard. So that is something that has exactly also motivated me and pushed me to start free sessions.
Mhm.
However, this thing which I have been doing for very good period of time, and I have recently restarted, taking free sessions. So I would not talk about much my paid projects, but I would rather talk about my free sessions. Please join that. I love when I get the reciprocal energy from the people. Like, when I love teaching and I'm ready to teach for free, if people, somehow reciprocate in the same way, they share or they give me the same experience, same energy, same kindness, and honesty to learn the language, I am ready to put my heart and soul to help you, whatever I know. So I am not a master of this, but I have learned it. I have experienced all the emotional ups and downs and frustrations, and self doubts and confusion and everything. So I come from that background where I was at the point where no was there to guide me. No one was there to talk to me in English and to tell me that, okay, this could be the first step you could take. But if I am the one who has been learning and who has learned and who has been teaching, I'm ready to tell you that how you can kick off your journey, and then you can go ahead. So yeah, Saturday, Sunday free classes. Even I
Wow.
would also invite you.
Yeah, definitely I will be there. It's really great to know about that whatever you have learned, you want to give to society and you want to share it with all. So it's really lovely gestures. Uh,
Thank you
so
so much.
my last question is this: what advice would you give to English learners and aspiring YouTubers?
Um, Aspiring YouTubers. Okay, first I'll go for English learners. So if you are an English learner and you are confused and you are doubtful, then first of all, relax for some time. If you have been in the journey for a long time, like if you are the one who has been trying to learn the language for years and still you don't see the good results, take a pause, understand, reflect, and then restart. So that is for English learners. If you are the beginner, then don't worry, just go on YouTube, try to research, or there are some good YouTube channels you can follow them religiously, stick to the process. One thing which I am always against of the English learners: do not talk to AI. Some people have come across recently that AI like Chat GPT, and then like Meta AI, and then whatnot. See, there could be a huge discussion, Smriti ma'am. We will definitely discuss why I am the one who is against AI. We will have a separate session for that. But I feel that AI
Hmm.
cannot reciprocate the emotions you have. So
Yeah.
better you practice with human beings. We
Mhm.
in India itself, we are the population of 140 crore now, and still, if you need an AI to talk, then we are not on the right path.
So
So
true.
this is for
So true.
English learners, right?
Mhm.
And for YouTubers, see, if you are coming on YouTube with the intention of that, okay, I like, I want to be like that so and so individual. Now it could be anyone. Like if you aspire to be like Rajni, or if you aspire to be like Ashutosh, or if anyone, learn how they have evolved as a person, learn how they have improved as an individual, how they are upgrading everything, how they are working on their own skills. So do this, and do not come on YouTube with the intention of gaining million or lakhs of subscribers in very short span of time, or maybe getting a lot of views. It is never going to happen. I mean, it takes time, it takes your hard work, your persistence, and a lot of things go behind YouTube as well. So there is a lot of planning, plotting. So if you are ready to put these many efforts, and then after that you expect result, which is understandable. But if you are not doing anything special to grow on YouTube, you just want to come and you just want to talk, and just you are happy with the 50, 100, 100, 200 views, then just be happy with that and do not feel bad about it as well. Because how it happened and why I'm telling you. So I mean, yesterday I came across a video where a boy was crying, and he said that if I do not get 20,000 subscribers in 6 days or maybe a week, I will commit suicide.
Oh my God.
Like, I literally came across this video, and this video must be in my history. I'll send you this video. So I saw that video that he shared the screenshot, that if I do not get the 20,000 subscribers, I will commit suicide. So please do not do that. Like, if you are coming on YouTube with such intention that I want to get famous and something like that, like, understand the people who are famous, how hardworking they are. Do
Yeah.
it. So yeah, these are the
With
advices.
your heart and soul, then only you can find, not only about YouTube, wherever you want to gain something. So you have to put lots of hard work, otherwise
Yeah.
it is not easy. So
Yeah, this is so true. So these are the pieces of advice I'll go.
yeah, thank you so much, Gayatri ma'am, for such valuable insights. And about we got to know about your inspiring journey, and you have
Mhm.
you gave your precious, valuable time to us. So thanks a lot, and have a great day to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You are so kind. I love talking to you. You know that.
Yeah.
I love the way you politely say and call and things. So I'm really happy to be here, and I would like to have many more conversations with you.
Yeah,
Thank,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much for
much.
that. So have a great day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so
Bye.
much.